I only ride this in the race. That is amazing.
Oh buddy, it's already time for fiver number 2. Thankfully, it looks like the rain is gonna hold off. And since Dave and I were a little bit late, we're gonna ride this race together. So let's get signed in, climb up, and get racing.
Made it?
How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Hello?
How's it going?
I know you know what you're doing.
No, barely.
Rubber after. I went straight to John Deere.
Ew!
There, I saw when I came back that there is signage,
Yeah.
but it's pretty minimal.
Okay. 0 to 100. Today we're gonna focus on taking it easy, having a good time, and beating Dave. Oh God. I only ride this in the race and for the race pre-ride, which I did not have time for this week. Should be a rock garden roughly here. Yeah. Big bike. Actually, reasonably good shape. I am scared though. Also, shout out to Alistair for letting me keep on borrowing his spare wheel. This is the important corner. Stay left. Oh, scary.
On the dot, on the dot.
Nice. Oh, hello again.
Yeah, hello. How are you?
You're stage 1 end again.
One today. Yeah, run the dog. Come
Yeah,
on.
Dave, go! Yew!
Thank you.
I have no idea how I did.
That was so rough.
It felt really slow, but like, it also felt really controlled.
Get it! Catch him! Catch him! Pass on the outside.
You've had something unique for every rider.
Almost.
I'm impressed. Do not go right after me. Don't let him go right after me. 1, 2, 3.
Get him! One!
Okay, outside line to save the rim. Dave literally gave me a 3-second gap. That is not at all generous. Not sure what that was. Oh, bad. Rider. Now faster in this good spot. All good. Oh, thanks. Rider. Oh, thank you. Well, that was a bit of a traffic jam. But it's all for fun. It's all for fun. Woo! That is amazing. Oh, bar check. Bad line. Hey. Danger, danger route. Oh, oh.
Good.
Oh, how's it going? Oh, good, tired, oh my God. Oh, cardio, cardio. I'm scared of this stage. There's the one like rock feature, you have to go over to the right, and I really don't like it. All right, Dave, I'm giving you 3 seconds.
Have fun, bye.
Yeah, Dave. Oh, that was pretty fast.
Yeah, that was actually.
That is a weird start, isn't it?
And that rock's right there.
Never done that high line. Danger. This is the thing I'm scared of. Not this, but I'm gonna go slow. Not this either. This forces you really, really low. Oh, fern. Yee! Hey! Oh, that's. I thought you could go straight there. Holy pedal. Should have brought the revolver. Okay. I'll follow the yellow bike. That was a lot of pedaling. I think that was the hardest stage. Just didn't stop pedaling.
I did. We're back to instant bench racing. Live.
Well, thank you as always.
Yeah,
for all
next
the hard
one.
work.
And next one we're back on Chrome.
The tag or the
But it's easier all back to the same spot, right? So
From for the next 2.
yeah, Chrome for the next 2.
World's smallest party lap. Oh, if Dave was this fast in the race, surely he smoked us all. Oh, maybe not. I guess you took the right line for this.
This looks cool.
Yeah, looks alright.
What have I done here?
That moss is moving.
Yeah. It's a little further back from the edge than I normally be.
Okay, I'll do it. Dave did it, so guess I have to.